Alright, it's October 16th, and here's my next project. We're waiting on a battery. I just installed that 1000 watt 48 volt motor wheel. Can't wait to test it. But this is it. This is a $45 bicycle. So this wheel kit here cost me, I believe this one was $219. Could have been $190. I can't really remember. I think this one was also on a sale. Had about 30 different people selling it. And then I added these tires. These are 2.80, so they're just I think what, 40 millimeters away from being 3-inch. So I'm trying to duplicate that fat tire bike that I had. Not going to be able to do it. That bike was $2,000. This bike here, when the battery comes in a couple of days, will be sitting at, well, under 500. Then the frame was 45, so right at about 545. Now if I bring that other 1000 watt motor and put that on the front, well, we'd definitely be talking some beach-worthy riding. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this project. I just kind of can't get them out of my mind, and now I've already put almost 200 miles on the beach cruiser. I'm waiting on a call from the guy who I bought this from. I need some new handlebars. I don't like these. It's too far forward. It needs to be raised. So I'm not going to put on the rest of the accessories until I get new handlebars. We need them raised. But I'm pretty happy with where we're at. Okay guys, later.